Hey guys, welcome to this amazing mini course. In this course, we will going to teach you how you can create one video, okay, using AI, okay. So it will be very much easy. You don't have to show your face or anything. AI will going to do the task, okay. So you just need to tell to AI what you want these humans to speak, okay, and then it will going to generate a video for you. For example, here we have one video. You can see
SEO, or search engine optimization, is the practice of improving the visibility and ranking of a website or a web page on.
so you can see this video I have created using AI only, okay. So this is not my real face. I just used AI to create or generate this type of video. You can even do for the Russian, Indian one, okay. So here you can see we have another video.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, so of course you can change the language, male, female. You can choose the country as well. Here we have an example of an Asian.
Hi, I am Asian AI speaker. How can I help you?
Okay, so you can see you can easily create such type of AI videos very easily, okay. And in this free course also we have also included if you have generated this type of video, so how you can even change the background and you can just further do the video editing, okay, for this type of videos, okay. So if you guys are interested, so please make sure you watch this mini course from starting to end, okay, because you will going to get a very good knowledge, and along with that we will also going to teach you how you can do copywriting with AI, okay, and how you can generate voices with AI, okay, and also this type of AI videos and many more, okay. So make sure you watch the video or mini course from starting to end.